Hey guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make this super cute little miniature braille book complete with the entire alphabet and numbers of braille. This braille book is for the National World Sight Day, which is taking place or took place October 8th, 2020, and basically it's meant to bring attention for people who have vision impairments or blindness. But yeah, if you don't know what braille is, it's basically in real life, it's raised bumps that people can feel to make out numbers or words. I'm really tired, so I sound like a frog, but okay, let's get into this, shall we? Okay, so the things you will be needing to make this craft are a glue stick, scissors, a stapler. Here I have a smaller one, but I strongly recommend that you use a bigger one. This printable that I personally created from scratch. I'll have it linked down below so you can print it off. It basically has all the pages for the braille book on it, as well as the front cover piece. You'll want a ruler, a pencil, some type of cardstock or thick paper, a needle, and please be careful with this, don't lose it. And here I'm showing you this lovely, extremely messed up squishy that you might see in more of the video. First things first, go ahead and cut out all the pages from the printable. This shouldn't take that long, and also I first used this paper cutter, then switched to scissors, and I also cut out the cover piece along with the other pages, and then go ahead and scooch the other pages out of the way because we are going to focus on the front cover first. Second thing second, yeah. Okay, so next we're going to grab our cover piece and slap in some glue on the back of it, and then line up the right side of the paper to a corner of your cardstock or thick paper, just like this, and you want to make sure to leave a little bit of the cardstock on all edges. This is important, so make sure you do it. Oh wait, no, I forgot to tell you about my new background, so it's a long story. So basically, anyways, I have 3 new backgrounds. I have this blue one, a pink one, and an orangey one, so thank you. Okay, so third step, are you getting this? Hopefully you are. Okay, so I don't know how to explain this, but you just cut your cardstock stuff, again, leaving a small edge on the edge, like this. Just do what you see on the screen right now. You ain't kindergarten. Alright, fourth step, I think. I don't know, I kind of lost count. Anyways, the next step is fun. It's the fun part. So, grab your pointy sharp mouse sword and one of your pages you should have cut out earlier and yeet that needle into the back of your paper where you can see the outline of the black dots. So basically, poke your needle where you see each black dot, and as you see, it makes some 3D texture. At first, I did a twisting motion into the paper, but later I found you can just stab it and it will go a lot faster. So, yeah. Guys, look, my last paper to punch is A. The first letter of the alphabet. Okay, y'all, I have all my papers punched and stabbed and whatever you call it, and now just enjoy this nice little montage of me organizing them. Oh, yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so just go ahead and gather up all your papers now in alphabetical order and then numbers, and then align all your pages on the left side, just like how I'm doing. Then go ahead and staple just the pages together. They will be pretty thick, but if you use a larger, bigger, stronger stapler, unlike this horrible panda thing, you'll be fine. Alright, our very last steppity step until victory and the finished project is just to slap your paper stack that you just stapled into the cover we made earlier, like this, and then staple it all together. So I put just one large staple from a regular stapler through the cover and all the pages, and it worked great. So that's it. Alright guys, that's basically it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you guys think of this craft, and let me know if you tried it up at home. The little bumps kind of got flattened after I stapled, but that's okay. But anyways, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, because I love talking to you guys, and more awesome content is coming your way. I'm sorry that this video is getting out late. I was supposed to get it out the 8th, but I'm filming this at nighttime. I'm editing this at nighttime, and it's not gonna get up till tomorrow morning, so it's a little late, but yeah. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye!